Hard money lending is just, we'll talk a little bit more about the financing, but that's just non-traditional banks giving you money to do deals. The interest rate's a little bit higher, but you don't hold a loan for that long. Usually it's 6-month, 9-month, or 12-month term. One of my hard money lenders, like for apartment buildings, we'll take money out for 18 months. So, but it's all relationship based. You have different lenders, have different, they have different loan products that you can leverage in order to get to whatever it is that you're trying to do. And so a great strategy, there are a lot of local lenders. That's one of the things that we're doing this year, is making a lot of relationships here in the local area as we do more deals and want to hold more deals. With the BRRRR strategy or buying and refinancing these properties, you got to have different banks on your team, because each one, they have different tolerances, they have different limits that you can have in there. Within their bank, they only lend you $4 million to your company. I was talking to a guy in a mastermind event that I was at yesterday in Florida. He was like, well, he's got a bank that their limit is $25 million. He's tapped them out. So he's like, okay, the most they'll give me is $25 million. I'm like, well, that's a good problem to have. And somebody say they don't want to give you more than $25 million at that point. But so that's the thing with just having different relationships, and also with that saying, being in circles and rooms with people that's operating at a higher level as well too, where it's like, okay, hey, what's that guy's number that's lending you up to $25 million? I want to talk to him, with those things. But that's what it's all about, with being in the right community, in the right circles, because you get information that you don't have. And everything that you want in your life and that you don't have today is somebody that you don't know right now that has it. And so your job, you just got to figure out who it is. It could be somebody in this room. It's a relationship in this room right now that can help you go to the next level. So that's one of the things with the networking lunch, hey, meet your neighbor, the person on the left and right, see what they're doing, what they're into, that you never know where partnerships can get made, and can take your business and your investing in your portfolio to the next level.